We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, front bucket seats. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.